Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Light. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video, I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start the review. Welcome to Drillo DLO, a revolutionary decentralized marketplace. Drillo aims to reshape e-commerce by providing a secure decentralized marketplace where you can buy and sell goods using cryptocurrency. Our platform is built to empower users globally, offering a transparent, secure, and cost-effective solution for digital transaction. You can also read their white paper from here. Here you can see their pre-sale. Their Drillo pre-sale start in 4 days, 6 hours, 3 minutes, and some seconds. You can also buy these tokens from here. You just have to connect your wallet right here. Next, we have their mission to create a user-friendly, decentralized marketplace that leverages blockchain technology to enable secure, low-cost transactions while fostering a vibrant community that actively participates in the platform development and governance. Current market: the global e-commerce market is projected to reach $6.4 trillion by 2024, with an increasing number of customers seeking decentralized solutions due to concern over data privacy, high fees, and the dominance of a few large players. At the same time, cryptocurrency adoption is growing with over 300 million users globally, signaling a strong demand for platforms that integrate crypto payment opportunity. The market is ripe for disruption by a decentralized platform that offer lower fees, greater transparency, multi-currency support, and enhanced security. Our marketplace will provide a seamless, user-centric experience that addresses these issues, appealing to a broad audience ranging from cryptocurrency enthusiasts to everyday customers. Problem with existing marketplace: here you can see their problems like high transaction fees, limited payment option, lack of transparency, and security concern. You can also read their problems right here. Next, we have their vision: decentralized, transparent, and secure. Our vision is to transform the e-commerce landscape by creating a decentralized, transparent, and secure platform for buying and selling goods using cryptocurrency. We aim to empower individuals globally by providing a marketplace that eliminates intermediaries, thereby reducing costs and increasing transaction efficiency. At Brillo, we were on a mission to reshape the e-commerce industry by introducing a decentralized platform powered by cryptocurrency. Our vision is to empower individuals by eliminating unnecessary intermediaries, reducing transaction costs, and increasing efficiency. With a focus on transparency and security, Drillo is not just a marketplace but a community of empowered global citizens. Join us in redefining the future of online trade. Next, we have the platform overview. Our platform will be accessible through a website and mobile application on both iOS and Android, providing a user-friendly interface for users to buy and sell used items using cryptocurrency. The marketplace will be decentralized, leveraging blockchain technology to ensure secure, transparent, and tamper-proof transactions. Here you can see their official video. You must see their official video to know about Drillo. I am showing you their video.
Introducing Drillo, the decentralized marketplace that's revolutionizing how we buy and sell. Centralized platforms charge high fees and offer limited payment options. Drillo cuts out intermediaries, enabling direct, secure, peer-to-peer transactions with lower fees. Buy and sell new and used goods with cryptocurrency, starting with DLO and expanding to all major tokens. Forget about borders and currency conversion fees. Drillo's global marketplace makes it easy for anyone, anywhere, to trade new and used goods with cryptocurrency. Invest early. Gain access to 30% of tokens, discounted fees, and governance rights. We're just getting started. Drillo's vision extends far beyond. A future where you can trade new and used goods with any cryptocurrency, all through our secure platform. Join the revolution. Visit godrillo.com today and be part of the future of decentralized e-commerce.
Next, we have the key feature: decentralized marketplace, a peer-to-peer marketplace where user can list, buy, and sell items without the need for intermediaries, reducing costs and increasing transaction speed. Web and mobile access. A platform will be accessible via a responsive website and mobile app, providing users with a flexibility to transact on the go or from the comfort of their homes, low fees. By eliminating intermediaries and using blockchain technology, the platform will significantly reduce transaction fees compared to traditional e-commerce sites. Multi-currency support. Starting with our native cryptocurrency, the platform will eventually support multiple cryptocurrencies to cater to a broader audience. Security and transparency. All transactions will be recorded on the blockchain, ensuring complete transparency and security. User rating and reviews. A decentralized system for rating and reviewing buyers and sellers will be implemented to build trust and ensure accountability. Escrow and dispute resolution. A smart contract will facilitate automated escrow services and a fair dispute resolution process, ensuring that transactions are secure and disputes are resolved transparently. User rewards and incentives. User will be incentivized through a rewards program that encourage platform engagement, such as earning tokens for listing items and completing transactions. User experience. The platform is designed with user experience in mind, featuring intuitive navigation, detailed item listings, and an integrated chat system for buyers and sellers to communicate. The mobile app will include push notification to real-time updates on transaction offers and community announcement. Token details. Here you can see their token details. Next we have their token allocations. You can also see their token allocations right here. Utility of the coin. You can also read their whole utility of the coins. Next we have their roadmap, project conceptions and planning. Define project vision, objectives and strategy. Develop white paper, technical specification and initial platform architecture from strategic partnership with blockchain developers and advisors. Phase 2, token development. Design and develop the smart contract for the native cryptocurrency. Conduct a comprehensive security audit to ensure robustness and reliability. Develop initial wallet integration and transaction functionalities for the platform. Phase 3, website launch and community building. Launch a professional website with detailed project information, white paper access, and a community forum. Initiate community engagement through social media campaign, AMA section, and airdrop to early adopter. Launch a referral program to incentivize user growth and community involvement. Like this, you can read their whole roadmap from here. Next, we have their tokenomics economic model. The platform's economic model is designed to create a sustainable ecosystem where the native coin is integral to transactions, staking, and governance. The model promotes a circular economy, encouraging users to hold and use the coin within the platform to gain benefits such as lower fees, reward, and governance right. This creates a consistent demand for the coin and incentivizes long-term holding. Here you can see their whole tokenomics right here. Next we have their technical architecture, smart contract. Smart contract will be the backbone of the platform, automating and securing all transactions. Key functions will include escrow services, ensuring funds are surely held until both parties fulfill their obligations. Dispute resolution, facilitating fair and transparent dispute resolution between buyers and sellers. Fee distribution, automatically distribution transaction fees and reward to relevant parties including stakeholder and the developer funds. You can also read their whole technical architecture right here. Next we have their pre-sale and ICO details. Here you can see their pre-sale and ICO details. This is an outstanding project. Claim your token. See your claimable token. Token can be claimed at the end of the pre-sale. Next we have the frequently asked question. Here you can see the frequently asked question like what is Drillo? Drillo is a cryptocurrency coin and decentralized marketplace platform. It allows users to buy and sell use items using cryptocurrency. Will support for multiple cryptocurrencies beyond its native coin. Like this, you can read further more frequently asked questions right here. Here you can see the social platforms like their Twitter account, their Telegram community, their Instagram page, their Discord, and further more social platform. You must join their Telegram community for latest update, and you can also follow them on other social platforms for the latest update. This is an outstanding project. Before ending the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not the financial advisor. I'm just telling about their amazing project, so do your own research. We will meet in the next video. Bye.